All right, I'm gonna try something here. I've got this here hat, and I have a hard time trying to film these things because, you know, you're going along, and I bought, it was at Walmart. It was like I don't know, I think it's OMI or something. It's just a container full of, it has a head dealy, like a little band that you put your GoPro on, and it has chest, all this junk. Well, when I put the GoPro up here, it seems as though, let's say I'm looking at this here, I'm looking at it, but the GoPro's looking at this, and I don't get to see what the heck I'm doing. And I was watching this guy. I like watching fishing videos and so forth, and there's this guy that does fishing. He's in a kayak like thing, and he's in North Dakota. I really enjoy his show, and he fishes for like pike and muskie and so forth. And I noticed that his GoPro was underneath his hat, and I thought, hey, I like that because maybe I get it closer to my eyes, and maybe I could even see that screen when I put the GoPro up under there. But I didn't know how to get it in there. So I was looking through that box of junk that I got from Walmart, and I found this thing, and I don't know what the heck it is, to be honest with you. I'm not quite sure, but I thought, hey, if I took that and put it on here, then the GoPro could hang below down here, but this don't fit. So I'm going to take my little grinder here, and I'm going to open this up and see if I can get it to slide over the hat a little easier. So I'm going to try to open this up with that grinder, and hopefully I don't break it. And if I do, well, this is going to be in the video, and I don't know, we'll see. It looks a little wide. I won't be able to get a file in there, so that's the only reason I'm going to have to try it with this grinder. But it's a cutoff wheel, so you know that's going to fit in there pretty easy. You know, it's, you know, real easy. So hopefully I can just take a little out and work on it and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try that. I can't do this with my both hands. I gotta have to use both hands. So I'll shut this off and go that route. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, that didn't take very long at all. In fact, when I said a second, it really didn't take too long. I bet it didn't take very long. So, and now this fits. This slides. Try this so you can see. Slides right on the hat. Slides on real easy. So now I'm gonna try to find some sort of screw or bolt or something. Or, you know what I probably should try first is try putting this GoPro on it and see if that'll work. So hold on a sec. Let me see what this is. Okay, well, this is where with it on the hat. Well, when I go to see if I'm gonna mess with this thing, I could turn it down just a little bit more. Might get more in my eyes. Yeah, I'm looking over the top of my glasses. Yeah, that's gonna work pretty good. I can see this, and you can see what I'm grabbing. Let's see here. I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna grab this bar, grab this, and if I'm going to measure that, let's pretend I'm marking that. Yes, you'll be able to see that pretty good. Let's pretend I'm using the grinder. Let's pretend I'm gonna cut this. Oh yeah, you'll be able to see all that really good. This might work out great. I'm kind of glad I watched that video with that guy. It's kind of heavy on the front end though, but here's some little nuts and bolts. I don't know if those are going to be long enough. Let's see. Well, let me figure this out, and I'll get back with you. I'm going to try to bolt it to the hat so that way it at least won't slide off on accident. Okay. All right, so there's what it looks like. I got a bolt in it. I had to drill out this little plastic thing to get the bolt that I had, and I kind of got lucky because it had like a shoulder. And the shoulder actually gets to the next piece, so if I tighten it down, it can only hit to that shoulder, but you know, it's bolted in now and it isn't gonna move. What I thought about doing is maybe put a drop of super glue or something on there. But as of right now, I'm just going to try it and see what happens. I did tighten up the little adjuster deal a little bit, and I don't know, we'll just see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on in. Okay, got that on. That doesn't feel too bad. Still a little heavy, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'll tighten it up just a little bit more. See how that feels. No, that's not quite as bad. Kind of rests down on there. I don't know if it's what I need to do is I need to tighten it just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Now let's see here if okay, I gotta pull my glasses down a little bit so I can see the screen and this. Okay, let's bend it down just a little bit more. You know, that's as far as it'll go, so hopefully that'll, yeah, there it is. There it is, guys. I ain't gonna be able to show you what it is there, but, or how it exactly works, but there it is. Voila. Now I can put in here, I think whatever I see, gotta lift my head up funny because of the screen in front, but I think that's gonna work. Let's move this thing out. Don't need it in here. There, that's far enough. Am I gonna need this? I'm gonna pull this square deal off. I think I'm gonna need it. But all right, now yesterday, well, it wasn't yesterday, it was the day before yesterday. It started raining yesterday and I didn't want to go outside. Oh, here it happened again. Son of a gun. Me and my stupid little discs. Oh well, you know, it's only money, right? Crap, if anybody else knows about these things, you'll know that they really kind of blow when you break them. But I think I'll put this flapper, no, I'll put this one on, because I am going to clean up these here deals. Get them ready to start going on. What I need to do is clean up the edges a little bit. This has been torched off at one point. And same with this one. Go ahead and just clean the edge up a little bit. I'm not gonna go crazy stupid, just enough to clean it up a little. Oh, there we go. My earplugs. And there we go. Got the earplugs in. Got my silly little kitty. And here we go.